Okay, what we have here is an Arrma Servo. It's the second one to go out, and it didn't go out due to any abuse. It's normal. And this is the second time one has went out on the Talion. Now, this servo here, I purchased when I bought when I made the order for the Talion and the Ktraton parts. I also purchased this servo, and I'm not too impressed with them for what they're supposed to be. This gear right here, this planetary in the center, that's the one that went bad on this one. I have yet to take the other one apart, but I've found some stainless steel guts for this thing, and I'm going to go that route because this one because the pins, it's got pins, top and bottom, but due to where this one sits with a high torque ratio coming off of this here, it's prone to this because the tolerances are not all that great. Now, I've got this one from off my gas buggy, off the Exceed, and I'm also using one of these on the Red Cat shredder, and I've had no issues with it. Now, this one has a plastic tooth, but I've got a couple of more on the large gas buggy that are Futavas. So I'm going to break them down and see if these gears are compatible, because I don't know how many different companies make these things, and if it's like computers or anything else I've dealt with in the past. There's actually very few manufacturers, and across the board 70% of them tend to use all the same components made by the same people. So I'm going to be breaking them down and comparing quality and consistency of assembly, so that I can see what's really going on here, what's causing these things to fail. Because one thing I can tell you, the cases seem to be very similar, with the exception of some of these cases have metal banded bodies with plastic caps. So that's where we're at with that. And so with that being said, the idea is to see if I can find stainless steel locators for these planetary gears in the top of the unit that runs off of the main motor shaft. And I'm going to break it off right there and go ahead and tear down a couple of more and do some comparisons, and I'll do a follow-up and link the videos. Mr. Phil in the pit. See you later. Bye.